Okay, so let's solve this one. How long will it take Nash and Mika together to finish a job which can be done alone by Nash in 6 days and Mika alone in 3 days? Okay, so sample word problem to. At ganito po yung technique at shortcut para makuha po ninyo yung sagot ng mabilisan. Pag nakita po ninyo yung together na word, ganito po yung gagawin po ninyong formula. Together is equal to product over sum. Product ni Nash and Mika na matapos yung trabaho at sum ni Nash and Mika na matapos yung isang trabaho. So, T is equal to product. Since product multiplication yan, 6 times 3. Okay, so nasa given yan. Over 6 plus 3. So, T is equal to 6 times 3 is 18. 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore, together is equal to 18 divided by 9 is 2. So, ito na po yung sagot. Letter B. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!